contacted for support. Now this will make it much easier to understand our users' issues. It'll make it much easier to see what steps they've taken inside of the apps, what maybe went wrong, and it will allow us to easier serve our users, to identify if we really need development help or if they're just doing the setup wrong. And it will also make things easier for the developers as well when it comes to solving issues, because it will allow us to recreate the errors that our users have. So now in intercom tickets, if you go over here to details, you expand. So by default it says show 37 hidden, but if you click show 37 hidden and scroll all the way down, you'll see latest Fullstory session. And if you click on that, what it's going to do is it's going to take us and it's going to show us the last things the users did before they contacted us. So as you can see, it has a recording of everything that the user has done. In this case, obviously it's myself because I was the one who created this test, but it shows what I did. And then, if you go up here, you can see where I contacted support and all that. So, it's going to show like, hey, I put in the support ticket, blah, blah, blah. I don't remember where I did that, but it's right here. Yes. So this is where I contacted support. So you can see everything I did before I actually even contacted support, the pages I viewed. And we can also go into dev tools up here and we can see the console. So we can see any console errors. This will be really good for developers. We can go into network to see network issues. This will be really good for the development team as well. And then, of course, you can just view what the users have done. So this will allow us to see if maybe they don't have the settings correct, right? So, for instance, if they have the bundle settings incorrect, this will allow us to see exactly what their settings are, and it will allow us to fix that issue or better guide our users on fixing that issue. And this will be something that you will review before you try to solve the issue. So if there's a new ticket or a new intercom message, you can just look back on what they did. And keep in mind, this is only for the apps. This isn't for courses or anything. This is only for users that are having issues with the apps. We can go in, we can take a look at what happened. Now, it's not just intercom. You can also do it in Zendesk. So over here, you'll see the latest Fullstory sessions. So you can click here and you can see that same session. So it will allow you to see the user's most recent sessions and see what issues they had. And what's really cool is, let's say you wanted to point something out to the developer. So you wanted to say like, okay, this is where an issue happened, right? So let's say we wanted to let Roman know, like, hey, I think this is where the user ran into an issue. And let's just say it's like right here when I loaded this page. Let's say this is where you noticed an issue on the app. What you can do is pause it. You can click pause, click note and share. I think this is where the issue happened, Roman. As you can see, the app didn't work here. And then, you can say, you can maybe open the dev tools and see that there was a console error right here. So we'll leave a note. I don't think it worked here. And then we can leave that note. And then as you can see right away in Slack, we also got a notification. I don't think it worked here. And that will allow everybody else to come in and take a look at the issue. So they can click here, and now they can also come in and take a look, and it'll pick up right where the note was left. And you can see the note right here. So thank you guys so much for your time. If you have any questions, please let me know. I think this will be huge in solving issues quicker and just better collaborating as a team. Thanks for